Hello, I'm Michael from Caraok EV Charger Factory. Z21 is AC Wallbox type EV Charger with 2.4-inch display screen. It is easy to install on walls or column, and it mainly supports several types charging methods: plug and charge, swipe card charge, and app charging. Z21 has gone through a series of rigorous tests, including waterproof test, leakage protection test, etc. High-quality products come from high-standard production processes. Caraok EV Charger. Production has very strict rules and standards, from incoming quality control to production process. We not only test the EV charger main machine, but also the charging gun to ensure that every EV charger leaving the factory is of reliable quality. Z21 is with power of 7 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts, 22 kilowatts, supports Type 1, Type 2, GBT, suitable for home use. Caraok, new energy, EV charging pioneer, leading the new technology trend in EV charging industry. Your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.